wow, guys. Look at this. They might charge me for this. I ain't got no money, so I'm not gonna go up close. This is the closest I'm gonna get. You know, these guys do car meets like this and they charge people to take videos. One time one guy told me $5. I'm like, $5? Like, yeah, give me $5, man. He was just joking there. There's one more over there. See? It's about to do a cold startup. Let's see if we can get it. Oh. It's about to do its cold start. Oh, wow. You guys heard that? Got it. Nice car, man. Yeah. Wow, man. These things look better in real life, man. Damn. Oh, man. That's New York, bro. That's New York. That's New York, man. That's New York. New York, New York.